In this video, we're going to show you how to set up an Apple account so you can get the best from your iPad. Switch on the iPad. Select your passcode if required and go into the settings menu. You'll be asked to sign into your iPad and prompted to create an Apple ID. Follow the steps: date of birth, your name, and email address. You can either use your current email address or set up a free iCloud email. Enter your email address and your password, which you will have to then verify. You enter your phone number to be sent a verification code. The verification code will be sent to your phone, and from this you can add this code to the iPad. You'll be offered the terms and conditions, which you will need to agree to proceed. You'll be sent an email to your email address to verify this address with your iPad. You'll enter the passcode again and then sign into your email account. Go into your email account to find the email from Apple. You will see generally a 6-digit verification code. Go back to the settings and enter the code. Then go into payment and shipping. You'll need to enter your payment details to enable you to buy apps when you want to download. Once again, you'll need to unlock your iPad using the passcode. And enter your card details. Then use the App Store to purchase and download apps.